Good morning, class. Stand up. Sit down, please. Stand up. Sit down, please. Okay, dear students, welcome again to Mali Radio and Television Station. Okay, today we're going to have a new lesson for the A-Form students. Okay, class, what do you do when you are hungry? What do you do when you are hungry? Hungry. Okay, when you go to school, at 12 o'clock, you get away. And now, every student is hungry. Okay? Now, what do you do when you are hungry? Okay, class? Well, you eat something when you are hungry. You eat something when you are hungry. Eat. You eat something when you are hungry. Okay, don't confuse this word with angry. Angry and hungry are not the same. So be very careful not to confuse the two words. I am hungry when I want to eat something. Okay? When you want to eat something. So, this time you are hungry. But when you are angry, it means that you may quarrel with someone. Okay? Or you may be angry because they offend you. Okay? All right. So, what do you want when you are hungry? What do you want when you are hungry? Okay. When you are hungry, you may have bananas. Okay? And what else? So, you may have apples. And next, when you are hungry, you may have rice. Okay, in each family, well, the staple food in Mali is rice. At midday, each of us will have rice at home. And chicken also. Well, rich people may have chicken at night. Okay? Chicken for dinner. They may have chicken for dinner. Okay? Rice for lunch. Chicken for dinner or for supper. Okay? Roast beef. When you have a dancing party, well, you will serve roast beef to the guests. Okay? Fried potatoes. Also, you may eat it at night. It's a good supper, you know. Rice and onion soup. Some people like this sort of dish. Rice and onion soup. Couscous and vegetable soup. In Kai region, for instance, people will have couscous and vegetable soup, okay, etc. And what's rice? What is rice? Class, what is rice? Okay, rice is a food. It is a food like bananas. It's a food like rice. It's a food like beef, roast beef. It's a food like chicken. Okay? The focus of our lesson today is food. Food. Class repeat. Food. 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 Okay? Where do you find or where do you buy food? Where do you buy food? Okay. When you go downtown, you can buy food at a restaurant. At a restaurant. You may buy food in a hotel. You may buy food in a hotel. At a school, you may buy food in a canteen. In a canteen. Or when you are downtown, for instance, you may buy food in the market. You may buy food in the market. Okay? So, at the end of this lesson, students should be able to master the names of food. Use words and phrases in meaningful sentences. Okay. Today, our text is about hot pepper soup. Hot pepper soup. Okay, you listen the story of the text. One day, Zekwe and Kwasi were hungry. One day, Zekwe and Kwasi were hungry. They bought some rice and soup from a woman in the market. Okay, listen, Kwasi. Listen very carefully, okay? Can we have some rice and pepper soup, please? Woman, yes, here you are. What's the matter? Is it too hot for you? Wow, yes, it's too hot for me. I can't eat that. Woman, here, have some more rice. The soup isn't too hot. I can eat it. Your friend can eat it too. Zekwe, yes. Kwasi, that soup's very good. I like it. Come on. Kwasi, have some more rice. No, I don't want to eat a lot of rice. Why not? Because there is an important football match this afternoon. When I eat a lot of rice, I can't play football well. Zekwe, well, look at Bagidi. He can play football well, and he eats 2 bowls of rice every day. Okay, listen once more. I'll read it. Hot pepper soup. Story. One day, Zekwe and Kwasi were hungry. They bought some rice and soup from a woman in the market. Kwasi, can we have some rice and pepper soup, please? Woman, yes, here you are. What's the matter? Is it too hot for you? Kwasi, wow, yes, it's too hot for me. I can't eat that. Woman, here, have some more rice. The soup isn't too hot. I can eat it. Your friend can eat it too. Zekwe. Yes. Kwasi. That soup's very good. I like it. Come on, Kwasi. Have some more rice. Kwasi. No, I don't want to eat a lot of rice. Why not? Because there is an important football match this afternoon. When I eat a lot of rice, I can't play football well. Zekwe? Well, look at Bagidi. He can play football well, and he eats 2 bowls of rice every day. Okay? Vocabulary. Pepper. Pepper. Okay? Glass, pepper. Pepper. Repeat. Pepper. 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 Again? Repeat. Pepper. Pepper. Okay? It's a fruit used to give a hot flavor to the food. When you taste it, it burns your tongue. It burns your tongue. And someone, when you are eating hot food, well, you need to drink some water because it burns your mouth. Okay? All right. So, it's a fruit that is burning. Okay? It's used to give a hot flavor to food. I like food with pepper. Example, I like food with pepper. Okay, some people cannot eat without pepper. They always use pepper on foods, okay? Bintu, put some pepper on food, okay? Hot pepper soup. Hot pepper soup. Class, repeat. Hot pepper soup. Hot pepper soup. Hot pepper soup. A soup. A soup. Class, repeat. A soup. Soup. It is a sauce. Hot pepper soup means a sauce with hot pepper. Don't forget that there is sweet pepper and there is hot pepper. Hot pepper, well, burns your tongue. It burns your mouth. Okay? So, you need water sometime. Well, or eggplant. Eggplant, well, is something which attenuates, well, the burning of your tongue. When you eat it, it's like water. Well, it attenuates. Okay? It attenuates. Right. Hot pepper soup, a sauce with pepper and spices. A sauce with pepper and spices. Okay? Example. Kwasi doesn't like hot pepper soup. Okay? There are some people who like hot pepper soup, but others don't like it. Okay? More. 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 Class, repeat. More. More. In addition to. In addition to. Example. Repeat this word once more. 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 You repeat it. More. Repeat it once more. Okay? More. More. All right. Okay? It means once again. 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 Okay? What's the matter? What's the matter? What's wrong? When someone, for instance, is sick, when someone is sick, well, it becomes sad. He becomes sad. But you ask him, what's the matter? For instance, Ali is sick. He is sitting all alone. He doesn't speak. Well, his father may come and ask him, Ali, what's the matter? Well, what's wrong with you? Ali, what's wrong with you? Well, okay. Example, we've bought a new radio, for instance. What was the matter with the old one? Okay. When your radio doesn't work, well, you have to buy a new radio. Okay? So the matter with my radio is that it doesn't work. My radio doesn't work. That's because I buy a new radio. All right. So we've bought a new radio. What was the matter with the old one? Okay? What's the matter with Amadou? What's the matter with Amadou? Okay? He seems very... this part is not visible. Okay? Let's go on. Vocabulary, grammar point. Can, could, modal auxiliary. Use of can. Can, equivalent, be able to. Be able to. It expresses permission, physical and intellectual faculty. Can, the past of can is could. Okay? For instance, you can use my umbrella whenever it rains. You can use my umbrella whenever it rains. It means that I allow you to use my umbrella whenever it rains. Okay? It's permission. Second example, Ali could eat 2 bowls of rice, but now he can't. It's possibility. It's possibility. Ali could eat 2 bowls of rice, but now he can't. Example 3, soon my child will be able to read the 8th year English book. Soon my child will be able to read the 8th year English book. Okay, intellectual faculty. All right? Okay, so in summary, you have to use these tables. Table A, I can. I can. He can. She can. We can. You can. They can. So the verb swim, speak Swahili, play the drums. I can swim well. I can swim well. So swim means, well, you have to go to the beach and you swim in the water. Okay? And next, I can speak Swahili well. Swahili is a language. Okay? Swahili is a language. I can speak Swahili well. I can play the drums well. I can play the drums well. Okay, this is the affirmative form. Okay. B, table B. I can't. I can't. Be careful, students. It's not can't, but I can't. I can't. Listen once more. I can't. He can't. We can't. You can't. They can't. I can't. He can't. She can't. We can't. You can't. They can't. So this is the contracted form. The full form, I cannot. I cannot. I cannot. I cannot. He cannot. She cannot. We cannot. You cannot. They cannot. Okay. Evaluation. Put the following sentences in the right order. Okay? So this exercise is a little bit complex. So you have to be very intelligent to put them in order. Okay? Well, number one, well, football, play, you can. It's an interrogative sentence. 2, well, very, Wolof, speak, could, not, Umar. Number 3, well, English, read, in, be, he, will, to, able. Number 4, write, who, in, can, English. Number 8 twice. Number B is B instead of A. It's B. Comprehension questions. Okay, dear students, you have to correct this exercise. Instead of A is exercise B. Comprehension questions. Answer these questions based on the text. Number 1, what is Kwasi going to buy? What is Kwasi going to buy? Number 2, what's wrong with the soup? What's wrong with the soup? Number 3, does Nzekwe like the soup? Number 4, is Kwasi going to have more rice? Why not? Normally it's number 5, but it appears number 1 again. Okay, so number 1 will be number 5. Okay? Does Kwasi want to eat a lot of rice? Does Kwasi want to eat a lot of rice? Number 6, can Bagidi play football well? can Bagidi play football well? Number 3, how much rice does he eat? Okay, instead of number A again, it's number C. Translate into English. 1. Je sais parler anglais. Number 2. Fanta sait lire et écrire. Number 3. Peux-tu m'aider? Number 4. Seydou sera capable de faire cet exercice. Okay, dear students, well, you have to do this exercise for next week. Cheerio and have a good time.